Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Julia. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing which is going to be featuring Amber Scholl, which she teamed up with her new product with Naked Skin. So basically this is what I got. I got the Bad and Boujee set, which actually not Bad and Boujee, that's the song. It's Bronzed and Boujee Naked Skin by Amber Scholl. So this is the pouch that it does come in, which has a beautiful feather logo, and it also has the brand Naked Skin. It does have a zipper pouch. It does include about 3 things. So you will get the tanning lint applicator. You'll also get the Naked Skin mousse, which is in a dark color. And then you'll also get the Gradual Glow Daily Moisturizer Tan Moisturizer. So these 4 things only cost me $35 after the discount. So I did get like a $5 discount, which is pretty awesome for a tanning product. I haven't tried it yet. I did just come from the beach. I was in Savannah, Georgia by TB Island. It was freaking amazing, guys. If you're near Georgia or you want to go somewhere, I recommend going to TB Island. It was so beautiful, and they have a beautiful pier and pavilion, which is wonderful. And I also got this beautiful tan. Hey, so I haven't applied this yet. So what I'm gonna do, since I did just get it, once my tan starts to fade a little bit, I will be doing another video with me applying this. So if you're looking for a tan, just wait for my next video and I will give you the pros and cons. If this works, if it's good, if it has any type of odor, I will be updating you on this. So basically this is just an unboxing video. The next video will probably be me applying this tan to see how well it works. So yeah, if you want a really cheap product, I recommend getting the Bronzed and Boujee by Amber Scholl. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share, and I should be back with more videos. And guys, check out my hair. I mean, look how long it is. Like, this is my hair. Like, this is literally how long. I think I've been growing it for about 5 years. So if you want a tip about growing your hair long, healthy, and beautiful, comment below and I will definitely do a video for you guys. So yeah, much love.